how to transfer crypto from Coinswitch to Trust Wallet. So this is possible if you're moving crypto from one wallet exchange to another non-custodial wallet. So you'll have to pay network fees though. It needs the correct network chain and it takes some time depending on the coin's blockchain. So make sure you have the two apps ready or the two tools or wallets. So first you need to have your Coinswitch ready and your Trust Wallet. So you're gonna have to get a receiving address first. So open your Trust Wallet app, search for the coin token you want to receive, but it's usually just here in the fund section. So basically this is how you receive money. And it's basically a simple process from there. Once you copy your address, you can go ahead and switch for the exchanges as well. Since it's crypto, go ahead from either the crypto wallet over here, and then just go ahead and copy whichever. So let's say you want Bitcoin, just go ahead and copy that address. And once you have copied that, go ahead to your Coinswitch, log into that account, go to your wallet balance section, select the same coin. In our case, we chose, was it Ethereum? I think we chose Ethereum. Select the same coin token you want to transfer by pasting the address, and then just go ahead and send withdraw. So when asked for the recipient address, paste the Trust Wallet address that you copied and double check the address, of course, first few and last few characters, and choose the correct network. And of course, it must match the Trust Wallet address network. So just go ahead and make sure everything is the same. Wait for the blockchain confirmation after putting your amount, and then after confirming, you'll see the incoming transfer in Trust Wallet once confirmed. But that's pretty much the process on transferring crypto from Coinswitch to Trust Wallet. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.